How to fix headset is plugged in but not working. So if you're facing a problem with the headset, if it's plugged in and but not working on your PlayStation 5, then what you need to do is here are some fixes. So try the fixes. The first one is you need to check the HDMI cable. So the first step is to make sure that your HDMI cable is connected correctly. The HDMI cable combines both the audio and visual output from the gaming console. If it's loose or damaged, it can be the source of your sound issues. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with the second fix, which is check your TV output. Your TV settings can also impact your PS5's audio. So check your TV audio settings and verify that the audio output is correctly configured to receive sound from the HDMI input, where your PlayStation 5 is connected. Also make sure that the TV's volume is turned up and not on mute. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then use the standard HDMI mode. Some TVs and monitors may not support the advanced feature of HDMI 2.1, so try switching to the standard HDMI mode to see if it's gonna fix your problem. But if that doesn't, then adjust your console sound settings. So to adjust your console sound settings, you need to check the sound settings on your PlayStation 5 console and make sure that they are set up for the audio system. So go to the PlayStation home screen and select the settings, and then under settings you need to go with the sound option. Under sound you will have audio output and then review the settings. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then update the software. Software updates can fix bugs that may cause the audio issues. So make sure that your PlayStation 5 and TV firmware are up to date. So to check that, open up your settings and then system and system software under your system, and then system software update to check for updates. And the last fix is turn off your 3D audio mode. So if you've turned on the 3D audio mode, then you will face that kind of problems. So try turning off the 3D audio to see if it fixes the sound problem. On your console, go to the settings and then go with sound. Under sound, you need to go with the 3D audio for your sound device and toggle it off. And these were the fixes of your headset is plugged in but not working on your PlayStation 5. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.